This is boring.
Yeah, it is boring. Hey, we should go on a nature hike.
We should.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Wait, don't you think we should grab some snacks?
Nah, we're gonna be about half an hour.
All right, let's go. I'm so excited, aren't you?
I'm so excited.
It's gonna be awesome. Whoa.
This is a beautiful trail, huh, Colton?
Yeah, it's an awesome trail. It's a good idea. Yeah.
Hey, this looks like a great stuff to sit on.
Yeah, let's rest here for a bit. Wow. This is the best hike I've ever been on in my life.
Really?
Seriously, yeah, this totally beats sitting in a chair all day.
Yeah, it does. Man, we were so smart at that. Dude, did you hear that?
Yeah, what was that?
I don't know.
Dude, I think it's been like half an hour now. Come on, let's go home.
No, I need to find out what that was.
I don't know, man.
Dude, let's just go.
I don't know, what if we get like eaten by like a wolf?
Dude, I have a laser gun.
Where the heck did you get that?
That's not what matters right now. What matters right now is adventure.
I guess so.
Come on, let's go.
All right. Oh, wow.
Watch out for that one. Dude, I'm just not seeing anything. What do you...
Dude, did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard it, man.
Dude, I really think we should go back now.
Dude, we're too close to whatever it is. Did you hear how loud it was that time?
Yeah, but what if what if we die?
Laser gun, Colton. Laser gun.
Right.
Come on, let's go.
Okay. Keith?
Yes?
I really don't like this.
Don't be such a pussycat doll. Come on, we got a laser gun.
Right. Man, let's take a break. We've been here for like hours. You said we'll just be a half an hour.
Yeah. Dude, I do wish we had some sandwiches.
What was that?
Dude, what was that? I think we're getting closer.
Do you think we should go any further?
I think so. We're so close.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. Come on, we gotta find this thing. Oh my god!
Nothing anywhere.
Dude, let's just go back home. Dude, there
There
it is!
is.
Dude, we're catching up. Dude, where'd it go? There it is! There it is! Oh. Colton! No! Colton! Colton, are you okay? Colton!
Had a great adventure with it.
No! Why? Dang it!
I totally miss you. The things we did together. Where have you gone? Totally miss the honesty in special times, and honestly, I totally miss the.
That's good. Let's go on an adventure. Yeah.